Anyway, good morning again to everybody. Greetings. We are gathered here to witness and celebrate the marriage of these couples and to ask God to bless them so they may be strengthened in their life together. We are called to rejoice in their happiness and find their love a reason to renew our own commitments to those who are near and dear to us. Marriage is given to us in full expression of love between a man and a woman, so that the husband and wife may cherish and delight in each other, comfort and help each other in sickness and in health, trouble and in sorrow, provide each other in temporal things, pray and encourage each other, and live together faithfully together in their end of their days. Sige, is there anybody here who knows of any impediment to the marriage about to be contracted between these couples? At ako man sa ating wedding? If not, let us continue. Sige, tayo na tayong dalawa. Harap kayong dalawa. Matatanong ko kayo, Crystal Marie, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your husband-to-be? Very good. John Rich, are you here of your own free will and volition to bind yourself in love and service to your wife-to-be? Very good. Do you take upon yourselves the duties of the marriage of your own free will and with all voluntary? Very good. Again, now is the declaration of intentions. I ask you now in the presence of these people to declare your intention to enter in union with each other. So, John Rich, will you have Crystal Marie to be your wife, to live together in marriage? Will you love her, comfort her, honor her, keep her in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others? Be faithful to her as long as you both shall live? Yes. Very good. Crystal Marie, will you have John Rich to be your husband, to live together in marriage? Will you love him, comfort him, honor him, keep him in sickness and in health, and forsaking all others? Be faithful to him as long as you both shall live? Yes. Very good. So the rings. A circle is a symbol of wholeness and perfection and unity. Like circles, rings have no beginning and no end. They are tokens of a growing relationship that you come here to celebrate and to confirm. Sige, follow after me, ha? Mauna ka, John Rich. I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, all that I am, all that I have, I honor you. So, ito na. Follow after me then. Crystal, read. I give you this ring as a sign of my vow, and with all that I am, all that I have, I honor you. So this was yung sing. Very good. O, sige, let's face our parents muna. Dito na muna. And ano po payo naman natin sa wish ay bagong-bagong kakasal? Ito.
I wish you a good luck. Sana magmahalan kayo palagi. I love you, my dear. It's okay. Let's
Tang?
Wishing you CFS na sana magmahal kayo dalawa at iwasan mga hindi magagandang i-pwede sa'yo para magkaayos ang mga.
Thank you. Dito naman. Naanaman payo yun, payo yun, wish yun, kasal.
Okay na sana.
Magamon na.
Pwede ka naman interview.
Advice.
Advice, wish. Salamat kayo.
Pwede ka naman interview. Pwede ka naman dyan yung mga
Sige.
kahit naman.
Best wishes.
Pa, ano?
Sige. From the Ninong-Ninangs naman. Sige. Ninong-Ninang. Sabo. Kumakapay din yung Ninong-Ninang. Sige. Starting from...
I'm going to go closer or just in here?
You can tell them what you want.
Janice and Crystal J, I hope all the best. And I hope lot to you.
Thank you.
Love. Till death do us part.
Love and trust.
Yes.
Crystal and John Rich.
Thank you po.
Any problems, pwede niyong pag-usapan para maayos. And then, one advice, kasi hindi mo maalis sa mag-asawa na magkaroon ng misunderstanding, di ba? In the morning, misunderstanding. Pero huwag kayong matulog sa gabi na hindi kayo nagkakaayos. Okay.
Thank you
And then,
po.
always pray to God.
Any wishes from for the couple?
Wish you all the best. Na sana ay ang pagsama niyo ay kawang buhay.
Thank you po.
Respect with each other.
Thank you po.
Sana huwag mong payakin siya. Mahalang kayo. Dapat. Kung wala na, sige, harap na kayong dalawa. Hawak, face each other. Ikaw naman, John Rich, ano naman promise mo to your wife to be Crystal? May sabihin mo sa kanya ngayon. In front of everyone.
Promise ko sa kanya, siya ay mamahalin ko habang buhay at ako'y nabubuhay pa hanggang sa kamatayan man. Saan man kami umabot, mahal na mahal ko pa rin siya. At sa may promise ko sa iyo, hindi kita lulukuhin.
Ikaw naman,
Narinig ko yun
ikaw naman
Marami na rin witness.
sabihin mo na para maninig na everybody.
I promise that I will love you forever and promise ko na hindi tayo lang. Ayun.
Sige, very good. Sige, follow after me, John Rich. Hawakan mo pa rin kanina niya. I hereby take you, Crystal Marie,
I here to take you by Crystal Marie
to be my wife,
to be my wife,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
to be one of heart,
to be one of heart,
one soul,
one soul,
and one affection.
and one affection.
From this day forward,
From this day forward,
for better or for worse,
for better and
or for worse, for richer or for poorer,
for richer and poorer,
in sickness and in health,
in sickness and health,
to love
to love
and to cherish
and to cherish
until we be parted by death.
until departed of death.
This is my solemn vow.
This is my solemn vow.
Okay, very good. Follow after me also. I hereby take you, John Rich,
I hereby take you, John Rich,
to be my husband,
to be my husband,
to have and to hold,
to have and to hold,
to be one of heart,
to be one of heart,
one soul,
one soul,
and one affection.
and one affection.
From this day forward,
From this day forward,
for better or for worse,
for better and for worse,
for richer or for poorer,
for richer and for poor,
in sickness and in health,
and sickness and in health,
to love and to cherish
to love and to cherish,
until we be parted by death.
until we departed by death.
This is my solemn vow.
This is my solemn vow.
Good. Okay? By the virtues of the powers vested in me by the laws of the Republic of the Philippines, I, Benjamin Loren Quaresma III, Municipal Mayor of Pampanga of Vizcaya, therefore pronounce you husband and wife. Okay, as part of the ceremony, you may now kiss the Okay, okay. Sige, yung ninong-ninang po, please witness them sign. Ninong-ninang, paki-witness po sila magsasign ng marriage contract. As witness, you have to witness it.
Four copies also.
Every sign in the diary.
Congratulations.
Thank you, Mayor.
Congratulations. Sige, picture taking tayo. So, I think ito na lang. Para naman. I-move na lang natin yung ilaw para hindi... Di ba okay?
Okay.
Sige, with the need for the
Mayor. Okay. Parents po.
Parents?
Tapos na kanina.
Ninong.
Sige. Ninong. Parents of the bride. Wala natin ang nagkasama. May nalundan na yun.
Sige, sige.
Dapat gini mo. Smile. Okay, ready? Ready, 1, 2, 3. Sige lang po.
Video po yan.
Ready. Okay.
Rest of the family. Sino pa ang pinaka-picture? Rest of the family.
Sige.
Friends and family, nabigay mo na ka.
Ma'am, yan. Ay, mapat kayo, ma'am? Okay, dito pa. Sir, kung tayo. Ready, one?
Video.
Next.
Friend, yung sa balik. Mga friends.
Compress,
Ready?
please. Okay. Camera, video.
Next.
Ayan.
Yung mga bagong dating eh.
Sa kabila po.
Check kayo bang yung bumangir nila sa...
Sa kabila.
Okay, dumikat kayo.
Butter.
Compress po si...
Madara kita.
Bumangir. Okay, compress po ba si... Okay. Camera.
One, two, three.
Video.
Next.
Next, yung mali pa yung
Yung mga hindi pa nakapicture.
hindi pa nakasama.
Tapos na kami may no.
Kapas kayo, no? Diluwala naman dito.
Mag-depress po sa video ako. Ay, ang dami mag-picture.
Hindi, side na siya rin. Picture.
Camera, tingin. Video. Next.
Mari, di pang-picture yung family.
Ready?
Second.
One, two, three. Okay. Wait lang po.
Video.
Okay.
Gusto lang dalawa lang.
Kapalayan ka mo, kapalayan.
Wala nagiging kapsat na masulot lang tanong na ready? One, two. Correct, sir.
May ada naman na lang sa tayo.
Okay. Mag-duet na, wala na pa.
Kayo na lang.
Okay, dito po.
Tingin sa camera. Camera.
Okay.
Video.
Okay na po. Duet po.
Madam, ito yung passer, video.
Alamin yung
Okay, sige po. Okay, mapalulong. Tingin sa kabila. Ay, camera. Okay.
Okay.
Dalawa daw kayo. Dalawa lang daw kayo.
Face to face kayo man, madam. Yan, sige, ilapit lang po. Lapit lang konti. Okay. Tingin dito. Okay.
So far. Ngayon, awan ka nung ibig.
Ready?
Maya.
Hoy!
Hey. Hanggang ka. Bye. Kira pa yung oras? Wala na po. Kasama na ka rin eh. Dapat sa inyo. Dapat sa sa,